Take two. Hi guys! Ngayon ay mag-attend tayo ng revival service. And after nun, may practice. After ng revival service, yes. Mag-back up ako sa Friday. Ay, sa Saturday. I mean, sa Saturday. Kasi Saturday yung event. Pero, ngayong Wednesday pa yung practice. Ayan, dyan na tayo guys. Patapos na yung songs. Ala ka! Ayan guys, tapos na yung revival service. Back up tayo for today's video guys. And that's it. Bye-bye!